afternoon to all of you. This is Dakne sir. Welcome you all in our online lecture series of artificial intelligence. Today we are starting with the second unit of the artificial intelligence, and our unit name is the problem decomposition and the planning. Okay, and in this unit we will discuss the first topic today, that is the problem decomposition and the goal tree. Okay. Now, up till we have seen the various approaches related with the problem solving. Like we have seen, we have given some initial state and we want to find the path to the goal state. We, in the sense, AI agent want to find out the path to the goal state. And with the help of the given description of the goal state, with the help of the given information related with the goal state, we perform the searching, okay, according to the given information and try to reach to the goal state. Okay. So our today's approach is going to be the slightly different. Okay. The today's approach that we are going to discuss, it is going to be the slightly different as compared with the previous approaches we have seen regarding the problem solving. Okay. And as I said, the today's approach is going to be the slightly different, which is nothing but quite related with the backward reasoning approach. Okay, which is nothing but quite related with what the backward reasoning approach. What does it mean by the backward reasoning approach? Now, usually what we do, we start from the initial state and we reach to the goal state with the help of the information given or not given. Okay, that approach we have discussed. But here, we first, by utilizing the goal, okay, here what we are going to do, by utilizing the goal, we are trying to find out, or we are going to break down that goal into the multiple sub goals. Okay, that is nothing but like breaking the main problem into the multiple sub problems. Yes or no? Breaking the main goal into the multiple sub goals. Can we call it as a breaking the main problem into the multiple sub problems? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what I said, here in this approach, we are going to use the approach of the backward reasoning. Backward, why it is being said here the backward? Because usually what we are doing, we are starting from the initial state and we try to reach to the goal state. Understood? But here what we are going to do, we are going to what we can say, start from the goal state itself. Okay, means we are going to take the goal state, and from that goal state or that particular goal, we are going to break down into multiple goals. Okay. So here we are starting from the initial state and trying to reach to the goal state. But here we are starting from the goal and then we are dividing that goal into the multiple sub problems. That is the reason it is called as what? The backward reasoning. You understood why it is called the backward reasoning? Yes. Why it is called the backward reasoning approach?
Yes, sir.
This is like straightforward, starting from the initial state and trying to reach to the goal state. Correct. But here what we are going to do, we are starting with some with reference of some goal state, and then we are trying to divide this goal state into the multiple sub goals. Understood? As here we are starting from where we are starting by referring the goal. That's why it is called as what? The backward reasoning. Got the point? Okay, this much is understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And that is the reason I am calling these breaking down the main problem. Can we call our goal as a main problem? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is the reason I am calling here breaking the main problem into the smaller problems. Understood? Breaking the main problem into the smaller problem. That is the breaking the main goal into the many sub goals. Got this point?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
that is,
sir.
and this concept is called as what? Problem decomposition.
Decomposition.
Understood? Problem decomposition is
Yes,
nothing but
sir.
what? Dividing or breaking the main problem into the multiple
Sub-problem.
problems. Understood? And that is also called
Yes,
as
sir.
what? The backward reasoning approach. I hope now you have got the clear idea what exactly it means. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, and now we'll try to clear the concept what exactly is the problem decomposition is and why it is so important. Understood? So we'll try to understand it with some example. Okay, let's see here. Okay, now here you have to consider one situation, then it will be helpful for us to understand the concept of the problem decomposition. Okay, let's suppose your friend birthday, your friend is today is your friend birthday. Okay, listen carefully, today is your friend birthday. Okay, and all of you want to give treat or the party to your friend. Generally you take the party from your friend, but here what we are going to consider, you will give party to your friend. Got the situation? Yes.
Yes, sir.
What I said, today is your friend birthday and you all other friends want to give the party to your friend. Got the situation?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you give your friend that different option. Okay, listen carefully, like what option you give to your friends. Suppose now main that point that you are going to give party to your friend means that party consists of the multiple activities, yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And we call it as a outing. Giving the party, we are calling it as a outing. Outing in the sense what? Go outside and enjoy. Got the point?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, understand the situation.
Yes,
We'll try
sir.
to clear it.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes.
you are giving party to your friend. You are not taking party from your friend. Understand this. Okay, what? You are giving party to your friend.
Stand.
Then you allow option to your friend. What option you give to the friend? That first we will go to the mall. Okay. Then you tell your friend, then we'll go to watch some movie. For example, I have written here name of the movie Harry Potter. Then also you say to your friend, you also give another option. We may watch the movie Tanaji. Second option in the, okay. And you also give another option. We will watch the movie AI. In the Hollywood, there is a movie, AI the movie. Okay, understood up to this situation?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then you tell him, then after watching the movie, we'll go and take the dinner. Now you tell him that we may take the dinner in the Pizza Hut, for example, we can Pizza Hut as a one hotel, okay?
Okay.
Or you also give the option, we will go to the, or we will take the dinner by going to the in the Mamta Bakery, for example. Okay. Also, you give one more option, coffee cafe. Got the point?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So these three options are also applicable here. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Because you cannot see all the three movies at the same time.
Yes, sir.
And here also these three options are applicable.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
And when you tell your friend all these things, listen, when you tell your friend all these things, your friend says no. Got the situation?
Yes, sir.
What your friend says no means in the mind of your friend there must be something different. Clear? Then what has to be done here? You are reached up till this point, and after reaching to this point your friend says no. What can be done here?
So backtracking, starting
You
from
need to do the
outing.
backtracking. Exactly.
Starting from outing, then change the
Means you
all
need to go
plan.
from this point to this level.
Yes, sir.
Then from this point to this level.
Yes, sir.
And then to this point. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now this is called as a general or the normal backtracking. What when you go from this step to its previous step, and from this step to next previous state, this is called as a general backtracking. Okay. In the backtracking, there is another concept, which is called as what? The dependency directed backtracking. What is?
Dependency directed backtracking.
Then what is the difference between the normal backtracking or the general backtracking and the dependency directed backtracking? Here in the normal backtracking, you simply go to the previous state and then from this to this. But in the dependency directed, when you jump from by skipping some middle stage. What? When you are going backtrack, when you are doing the backtracking, if you skip some middle states and you jump to some another state, that is called as what? The dependency directed backtracking. You understand the difference between the normal backtracking and the dependency directed backtracking?
Yes, sir.
What is the normal backtracking? You just go to the previous state and then its next previous state step by step.
Yes,
But in the dependency directed, what? You can jump by skipping the some middle level step. Understood?
Yes.
So there are two approaches are there. For what purpose? That when you reach to this particular at the end, at this point, and your friend says no. Now, to solve this kind of problem, there are the two approaches. One is the that I told you, dependency directed backtracking. And another one is nothing but better representation of the problem decomposition. Or you can simply say the another approach is nothing but the problem decomposition. First approach is what? Dependency directed backtracking. And second approach is what? Problem decomposition. And today we are going to discuss what the problem decomposition. Okay. Now up to this, all of you understood the situation that you give all these options to your friends, like blah 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 blah,
Yes,
and he said no.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And only one option remains to you is nothing but backtrack.
Yes.
What? Backtrack. Now you backtrack. Now here we are not going to see the dependency directed backtracking. Use a normal backtracking. You just backtrack and you come to this point step by step. Okay, step by step. I just showing you directly here. Correct? And you give one more option to your friend. Now, if you understood in the previous example, here we are going to perform the three activity as a part of the as a part of our party, correct?
Yes, sir.
These three activities we are going to do. We are going to go outside somewhere.
See movie and go to dinner.
Second activity, see the movie, and third is the
Go to dinner.
take the dinner. This much understood. Now, but after telling that all these things to your friend, if your friend says no, then you have to backtrack and you have to give another option to your friend, and that another option to your friend you have given here, the beach. आता आपल्या येवल्यामध्ये तर बीच नाही पण इमॅजिन करा. ओके,
अंगणगाव
हा अंगणगाव तिथं बुडून चालतं. ठीक आहे. तर ओके, so when he says after telling all these Ramayana Mahabharata to your friend, he says no, then there is no option. You need to go backside and another option you need to give him. Now you give him the option as a beach, and then you tell him, then we'll go to the see the movie Harry Potter, and then we'll take the dinner at the Pizza Hut or the Mamta Bakery or the cafe, or we go to the Tanaji and we'll take dinner at the Pizza Hut, and instantly at this point he says yes. Understood the situation? At this point he says yes. Okay, now I want to ask you, what is your conception or what is your thinking about all these points that you have discussed? What wrong you are observing here? Or let me ask you more specifically, where you find the wrongness in the left side of the tree? I just want you to observe this tree, complete whole tree, and point up till we have discussed. And from that observation, you tell me, is it a good way of searching? And where exactly the problem is there? Yes. Where is the problem in the left side of the tree? Because after telling your friends all these things, okay, he says no, and when you go on this side and you tell him some option, he said yes.
Because of beach, sir. We want to go beach.
Because of the beach. Means what? In this sub tree, the problem is at the mall. Yes or no? The problem is at the mall. मग आता हे सगळं जे आपण काम केलं इथं, हे this is nothing but the wasted work. You got the point?
Yes.
This is nothing but the whole as a wasted work. Understood this?
Yes.
Now that's why this representation is not good. That is our conclusion. Understood? Then what can be the solution for this? The solution for this is nothing but the problem decomposition. what? Problem decomposition. Now all the things that we have discussed up till I have mentioned here in the words, if mol was the problem, then we can see that if in the first solution that you have considered, which is mol, Harry Potter, Pizza Hut, if somehow you could figure out that mall is the problem, then you would not do all this useful, wasteful work. So here trying to see if not Pizza Hut, then Tanaji, if not Mamta Bakery, of course, then Cafe Coffee, and if not the Harry Potter, then Tanaji. If not Tanaji, then AI. All this work is the wasted work that we have done here. Yes or no? Whatever you have done here, that I have written here. Okay. Now, as when you go on this side, you understood that the main culprit or main problem is at the mall, because you keep there the fixed choice. Yes or no? Initially, was there any alternative for the mall? No. And that is the reason that whole work is considered to the wasted work. Now, how can be the better representation can be done so that that particular problem of wasteful work can be get avoided? Okay, as I told you, the two solution for that is, one is the dependency directed backtracking, and another is nothing but the problem decomposition. And to do that problem decomposition, we are going to utilize and or graph or tree. What? To do the problem decomposition, what we are going to do? We use and or graph or trees, and this and or graph or tree is called as what? The goal tree. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, what exactly that and or graph and the goal tree? That is our next point of discussion. Let's see. And this is nothing but the same representation, but utilizing the and or graph or the goal tree. Yes. Now you tell me what difference you are observing here. Whether this representation is good or the previous that we have seen is good. And tell me why it is so. If this is good one, then why it is so? Yes, all of you can able to see this goal tree?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
observe it and tell me.
So you can direct and or option in. If you select the evening, then you can select mall or beach. Then you can select the movie, which one Harry Potter, Tanaji. You
Means
can just
this is
waste
nothing
of
but
time different.
better way of decomposing the problem.
Yes, sir.
What was our problem? Outing.
Yes.
As a, we are calling it as a main goal.
Mm.
So in the previous representation, you have not decomposed it very well. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But here you have decomposed it appropriately. Correct? You have decomposed it like we have to do the, we need to do the outing. So you divide it into the sub problems, like in evening you need to do something. After that you need to go to the movie, correct? After that you need to do for the eating, correct?
Yes, sir.
And here you have connected all these options with the and arc, correct?
Yes, sir.
Means these three things has to be performed compulsory. That is the meaning of that and arc.
yes, sir.
Correct. And so as you have to perform all these tasks compulsorily, so here first thing you will tell your friend that in the evening we have to go outside. and you give him the option, mall and the beach.
Yes, sir.
Here only your friend will tell beach, correct or not? Then we need जे आपण याच्या खाली जे वेस्टफुल वर्क केलं होतं ते इथं करावं लागेल का? नाही, आपलं काम इथं संपलं.
Yes, sir.
Here our work is finished. Next you have to go to the another compulsory alternative, that is movie. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here this arc is called as which arc or arc?
Or okay.
What do you mean by the or arc? What is difference between the and arc and the or arc?
And म्हणजे compulsory करावंच लागतं.
All these activity has to perform, and or means what? Any one of these.
Anyone. Yes, sir.
Now you tell me, is there any dependency of these things and these things?
No.
No. But in the previous representation there was a dependency.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And this is nothing but the power of what? The problem decomposition.
Dependency.
Okay, you divide the main problem into the multiple sub problems, again that sub problems into the another sub problems, and then you try to find out the solution for that. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Now after in this he will tell you something, then this task is finished, then next compulsory task is eating. Here you will get the one of the option and you have got your solution. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this whole idea is nothing but called is what? The problem decomposition, where we are using the mechanism of breaking the problems into the smaller parts.
Smaller parts.
Okay. So here what we have done, simply the main problem, that was our outing, we have divided that problem into the multiple sub problems. What multiple sub problems we have divided it? Multiple sub problems that we have divided like nothing but evening out, or the evening plan, that is the first, then movie second, and then the eating or the dinner, that is the third decomposition that you have done. Okay. And now to distinguish between this tree and the first tree that we have shown there, here we have utilized the and arc and the or arc. So here you can see I have written everything about the and arc is nothing but also being called as the node which is there in the and arc is also called as the and nodes. Okay, and this is the node which indicate the all the task has to be performed compulsory. Okay. And also there you can see another arc is there, that is called as a or arc. Okay, which indicate that you have to do one of the things below that. Correct? All the things are not compulsory. The choice has to be made from remaining whatever the options are there. Okay. So there you can see you have to either choose to the mall or you have to either choose to the beach, and if you decide one of that, then next compulsory activities are there, and from that the choices can be made. And so that wasteful work that we have done in the first case, that can be easily avoided with the help of what? With the help of the problem decomposition and with the help of the goal trees. Understood, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Now solution. Yes. Any doubt? Somebody has asked. Okay. Now solution for this kind of when you have the problem decomposition and the goal tree representation of any problem, the solution for this can be a another subtree. Here I have done the solution for this same problem can give a another subtree. Like what? We can have that subtree like this is our main problem. So subtree that will get like this. For example, if you choose like this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Understood. So instead of path, you can get the subtree as a solution also. Okay, if the beach is being chosen here, then from this the Tanaji movie chosen, and from this the Pizza Hut being chosen. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So that is nothing but the approach of the problem decomposition. And initially I told you we have referred it as the one of the approach which is having the reference of backward reasoning. You got why it is called the backward reasoning? Because we are starting from our main goal and we are dividing our main goal into the number of sub problems.
Yes, sir.
करेक्ट. पण आपण अगोदर जे बघितलं होतं इन्फॉर्म सर्च आणि अनइन्फॉर्म सर्च मध्ये आपण काय करायचो, इनिशियल स्टेट पासून चालू करायचो आणि गोल स्टेटला. But here we have done what? We have taken main goal here.
Goal state.
Then from that for that goal we are trying to find out the solution. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the point of the problem decomposition. आणि problem decomposition करण्यासाठी we are taking the help of what? The goal tree. Got the idea? Goal tree is what? It is nothing but the combination of and or graph. Where the and are represent the compulsory things that has to be done, and or are indicate the optional thing. Understood? So 8 mark question being asked on these topics number of times. So you have to take the such kind of example and then you have to explain the answer of that particular question. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's it from the today's lecture. I hope all of you have got the concept. If not,
Yes,
then
sir.
you can mention it in the comment section. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So